The first repair we got to do on this is this thing's not charging. So this is all Eugene Mosesized, so we got to get rid of all this wire. I put this old battery on charge. Look at all the old dirt dauber's nest on this motor. I mean, they're all over the place. They're underneath, they're everywhere. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take this agitator alternator off and see if it's bad. Pull the battery tray out. You got to disconnect this temperature battery sensing wire, and there's the agitator down there. All right, I got the old one off, so we are headed to AutoZone to have it checked before I put it on, because if it's good, I'm gonna keep it, and then I got to trace down the wiring problem. So this is the alternator tested bad at AutoZone. I had to train the guy how to do it. So anyway, this will be the very first repair we do on the cheap Jeep. Let's go put it in. While I'm at it, I'm going to clean these grounds right here. Oh, those dirt dauber nest. I'm going to clean those grounds right next to it. It's crazy, huh? And I'm going to clean a few of these grounds. Eventually I'm going to change all this. You just can't work on these old Jeeps without breaking bolts. That was a ground bolt for here that broke off in here. So I'll drill it out. I drilled this out of here. That's weird. I guess I got to put a big old washer. Alright, I got the new alternator installed, cleaned all the connections, and we're going to put the battery in and see what happens. Got our battery tray back on. Put some anti-seize on these bolts. She's charging, she's charging. First repair. Top off the battery with some distilled water. Got the terminals all cleaned up, new alternator on. Eventually I'll get to the rest. I pulled the fan shroud off so I could see. Next thing I'm going to do is change this oil. This oil filter is old. Who knows how old this oil is. And we'll do a little oil change with Walmart's Finest, because I have no idea what kind of oil or what was in this thing. Well, this is what happens when you get a Jeep out of the woods. We put our alternator on it, charging great. I flushed the cooling system out just a little bit, put some clean stuff in there, and these hoses are just like original hoses. I'm going to go ahead and put a new water pump and change all this cooling stuff out. Stay tuned.